Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Mini Cooper. As we look forward to 2025, the 2024 Mini Cooper has been recognized as the best small car for the year, thanks to its distinctive style, engaging performance, and innovative features. Known for its iconic design and spirited driving experience, the latest Mini Cooper model continues to captivate drivers with its blend of fun and functionality. Sporty performance and efficiency. The 2024 Mini Cooper offers a range of powertrains that cater to various driving preferences. The base model features a 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine that produces 134 horsepower and 162 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. For those seeking even more performance, the Mini Cooper S comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 189 horsepower and 207 lb-ft of torque, delivering a more exhilarating ride. The Mini Cooper's handling is characterized by its nimble and agile nature. Its sport-tuned suspension and precise steering make it exceptionally fun to drive, whether navigating city streets or winding country roads. The car's compact size and responsive acceleration contribute to its reputation as a driver's car, offering an engaging experience behind the wheel. Iconic design and premium comfort. The 2024 Mini Cooper maintains its iconic design while incorporating modern updates. Its exterior features the signature hexagonal grille, round LED headlights, and a distinctive rear design with Union Jack-themed taillights. The compact dimensions and bold color options ensure that the Mini Cooper stands out on the road, reflecting its playful and unique character. Inside, the Mini Cooper offers a stylish and high-quality cabin with a focus on driver and passenger comfort. The interior features premium materials, including available leather upholstery and customizable ambient lighting. The standard 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims offer additional features such as a panoramic sunroof, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and upgraded navigation. Advanced technology and safety. The 2024 Mini Cooper is equipped with a range of advanced technology and safety features. Standard driver assistance technologies include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Available options such as adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning enhance the car's safety capabilities and provide added peace of mind. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Mini Cooper has been well received for its blend of performance, style, and advanced features. Its competitive pricing and unique appeal make it a top choice for drivers seeking a compact car with personality and flair. Available at Mini dealerships nationwide, the Cooper continues to attract enthusiasts and those looking for a distinctive and enjoyable driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Mini Cooper stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a perfect mix of sporty performance, iconic design, and modern technology. With its engaging driving experience, stylish appearance, and advanced features, the Mini Cooper delivers a unique and satisfying choice for today's drivers.